Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to add the Auto Graticules plugin to your Leaflet web map so that you can see the latitude and longitude coordinates change dynamically. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is download the code from this GitHub site, and I'll leave a link in the description down below so that you could have a direct access to it. And of course, credit goes out to the person who put the code together here. So if we come here to the green button and we download the zip file and we go to our downloads folder, we could extract it. And take that extracted folder and just copy that and put that into your project folder where you have your HTML. Okay, and I'm using Visual Studio, and I just have a very simple web map here, and let me just go ahead and run that real quick so you guys can see. Okay, and I'll leave a link in the description down below as well on how to create a very simple web map such as that. Okay, so going back to the GitHub page, there's a couple pieces of information we need to note. So we are using the Leaflet object. So according to this, we need to add this script as well as adding the CSS to our HTML. So let's go and do that first. So coming back here, if I go to that extracted folder, here is the CSS, which is going to be under the source folder right here. So let's go and add that. Style sheet equals, and now in between the double quotes here, I'm just simply going to right click onto the CSS file and copy the relative path and paste that in between. I know there's other ways to do that, but that's just something I like to do. And let's go ahead and close that off. Okay, so we have the style sheet, and now we need to add this. Let's see where to go. Right here. This piece of code right here. So if we just copy that and we paste it right here, and then finally down here in the body, we just need to add this statement right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. Now it looks like there are just a couple little options here you could play with, but for this example I'm just going to keep it simple and just remove that. Of course you could do that later. This is just to get you started. Okay, so we have the CSS added as well as the script, and let's go and save that and let's run, and there we go. So here are our graticules, our latitude and longitude, and as you see, as I zoom out, zoom in, they're dynamically changing on the sides. So this is just a quick, easy tutorial on how to add something like this to your Leaflet web map. As always, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you guys have any questions, or rather any suggestions on any future videos, I do appreciate those as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I do appreciate it if you do, and we'll see you guys next time.